Hello everybody, this is Entuland, and this video is a quick recap and update about my rotator screwdriver mod for Minetest. So here we go. We have the first tool, which you can see I am using right now. It has two markers on the right and on the left. One is RT, which stands for rotate, and this allows with the right click to rotate any face of any block. Okay, you rotate you right click a face and you rotate that block around that face. You can invert the rotation. Normal is clockwise. If you hold down the sneak key, you can rotate counterclockwise. Instead, with the PS feature, which is the push feature, you can push an edge of a block. And so, for instance, from here I can move the blue face on top by pushing this edge. Okay, and this works with all the nodes. Alright, the second tool is just the same thing. It just has the push and rotate buttons swapped, and you can also see that the two mnemonics on the tool are swapped. So pushing with the right click and rotating with the left click. Okay, and so this is the main tool that you probably have seen in the other video. Now, this is a new tool. This is the memory tool, and this is a shortcut to avoid to issue the command on the chat. And with this tool, you can left click. As you can see, there is a TG marker in the tool, which stands for toggle, and it actually cycles through three modes of the memory of this mod, which are let's see if you can see it, bottom left corner of the screen. So now the rotation memory is on, now the rotation memory is auto, and now the rotation memory is off. So for instance, if I place this block down like this, it will be placed always in the same way, which is the default way. Okay, but I can switch to the memory tool and enable the rotation memory, then copy the rotation from this block, for instance, and then I can place the other blocks in the same orientation. Okay, now the last tool is the multi-tool, which is this one, and it combines all four main features, which are rotating, pushing, cycling through the memory modes, and copying the orientation of a node. I won't enter into the details of how this tool works. You can just open the chat and issue Rhotator to get help about the various commands, and in particular you can issue Rhotator multi and get a detail of how the multi-tool is currently configured. So I want to show a last thing, no, two last things. First, you can rotate, of course, all blocks, no matter what the type. These are slabs which were born horizontal, but makes no difference how they're placed. These are slabs which are vertical, and again makes no difference. It's just the same thing. You can rotate also a block, a node like the trapdoor, and you can rotate, you can cycle through the various rotations available for a wall-mounted node, just like this wall sign, and of course you cannot rotate a door. So last thing, and there is the one of the latest additions is the auto. Okay, now the rotation memory is on auto, and this lets you place the blocks copying the rotation of the node you are aiming to. So you can see now here I could place these slabs, which are in two different orientations, just by sticking the other slabs on their side, and the same stands for a roof like this. If I place the block here, it will be rotated according to the blocks I'm aiming to, and without having anything else to do, I just put the other blocks here and they get rotated accordingly. Okay, so you can see the link to the previous video in the description, and also the link to the mod, to the repo of this mod in the description. Okay, that's all for it. Now, thanks a lot for watching.